Welcome to this tutorial on the Albert app, a personal finance management tool designed to help users take control of their financial lives. The Albert app works by linking to your bank accounts and credit cards, tracking your spending, and providing personalized financial recommendations. First, you need to download and install the Albert app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will then be asked to link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app. The Albert app uses a secure and encrypted connection to link to your accounts, ensuring that your financial data is protected. Once your accounts are linked, the app will start tracking your spending and providing you with a clear picture of your financial situation. The app categorizes your spending into different categories such as food, transportation, and entertainment, making it easy to see where your money is going. You can also set financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt, and the app will provide you with personalized recommendations to help you achieve those goals. One of the key features of the Albert app is its ability to detect and alert you to any suspicious activity on your accounts. The app will also provide you with bill tracking and reminders, ensuring that you never miss a payment. In addition to its spending tracking and financial goal-setting features, the Albert app also offers investment and savings tools. You can invest your money in a variety of low-cost index funds and ETFs, and the app will provide you with diversified investment portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. To get the most out of the Albert app, it is recommended that you regularly review your spending and financial goals and make adjustments as needed. You should also take advantage of the app's investment and savings tools to grow your wealth over time. Overall, the Albert app is a powerful tool for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. By following these steps and using the app's features, you can take control of your financial life and start building a brighter financial future.